our capo on fret number 4, G. This is like a B minor 7, and I play it as open. The beginner way to play is open, 2, open, 2, 3, open. But if you're advanced, you can bar the 2nd fret and play an A minor in front of that. Okay, so the rest of the chords are basic chords, and they go. Okay, let me just restart the song because it's okay. So straight from the top, we have G, that B minor, and then we go to C, and then we stay on C. So that's G, B minor, sorry, D minor 7, C, and then you stay on C. And my strumming pattern is down, 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 up, down, 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 down. This must be the pre-chorus. C, B minor, to D, and then back to C, and then you stay on C. So you play that twice, and the second time you stay on C, and then you're back to your so this is a shredding technique for the strum. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. It's actually hard to keep up with my mouth, but it's just down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. All right, and that's pretty much it for that part. And then the pre-chorus, C, E minor to D, E minor to D, C, E minor to D, and then you stay on C the second time. D minor 7 and then C. Okay, so this is G. This is the D minor 7, and then this is C. Alright, and then you go back into the I don't wanna miss one thing part. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole song. The reason why I keep thinking this is a B chord is because it's actually structured in B flat, like that's the root note, but it's a B, is it a B minor 7? It's a D minor 7. It's substituted D. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this album, guys. Do let me know in the comment section any new albums that you want me to check out. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, share the video with your friends that play guitar or want to learn guitar. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in for the premiere and watching this video. I appreciate all your support. Peace out.